ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ
thawai ki ka lo akoi sira ju chi hoge na ha aduga
ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯐꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯅꯁꯥꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯌꯨ
lae la ka na sawo ma ji lai re sawo ma ji su ram ko sang kare ji ram ko ni ha ra ko ji lai ba ki re
nhiều chỗ này hoang ngang vô cùng lắm rồi
mày dùng lên cái gì tôi chỉ dùng lên
We don't need food package, we need human peace package. You see, that is very important for us.
40 दिन हो गए हैं प्रधानमंत्री ने अपनी चुप्पी नहीं तोड़ी है कोई बयान नहीं कोई अपील नहीं कोई संदेशा नहीं
Thousands of security forces have been deployed to the state. The internet has been shut down and a curfew imposed.
You have been urging the Prime Minister to speak.
I mean, he's such a great orator that, he is a very impressive orator. He speaks so well all over the world. On this issue, he keeps so completely silent. What is the meaning of this? What is he trying to tell us?